Do you ever feel like your salary vanishes just 10 days after you get paid? You work hard for your money, but by the end of the month, your bank account is empty. The truth is, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Most people don't have an income problem, they have a spending problem. In this video, I'm going to share 3 simple rules that will stop the financial bleeding and help you keep your money in your pocket. Let's dive in. Rule number 1 is the 503-020 rule. This is the secret to budgeting without a headache. Divide your income into 3 buckets. 50% goes to needs, rent, food, and bills. 30% goes to wants, hobbies, dining out, and fun. But the most important part is the last one. The final 20% is for savings and investing. You must pay yourself first before you pay Netflix or Starbucks. Rule number 2 handles your psychology. It's called the 24-hour rule. We all love impulse buying, but it kills your wealth. Whenever you want to buy something that isn't a necessity, wait 24 hours. Put it in your cart, but do not click checkout. By the next day, the emotional excitement will fade, and your logical brain will return. You will realize you probably didn't need it anyway. Rule number 3. Make saving invisible. If you see money in your checking account, you will spend it. It's human nature. Set up an automatic transfer on payday. Move that 20% to a separate account immediately. If you can't see it, you can't spend it. Managing money isn't about being rich, it's about being smart. Budget your needs, wait before you buy, and automate your savings. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on financial freedom. See you in the next video.